So, ganyan sila magbutas or magdig dyan sa ano, sa paglalagay ng mga foundation. May machine sila. Yun yung machine na yun, no? Tapos, may mga equipment talaga sila kaya hindi matagal ang pagdidig ng butas dito sa ng bagong bahay. Look at that. Galing, no? Tapos may mga machine sila malilito para itambak yung mga ano. So, 2 tao lang yan ang nag-ooperate dyan. Pero, very effective. Look at that. Lock the door. Thank you.
Buy me Dairy Queen.
Ha?
Buy me Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen? If it is still open. Okay.
You buy me chocolate.
Okay.
Buy.
Bye. Okay, so today, pupunta ako at kami magbabasketball ng mga Maples. Winter ulit. Lamig. So, winter ulit. Tapos may wedding social. Si Aisha ang pupuntahan din. And we'll see if makakapunta pa kami. Pero right now, basketball muna. Hindi bukas. So naka-secure yan. Hindi, pag na-late ka, dapat may magbubukas sa'yo sa loob. So ngayon, titingnan natin kung sino yung pinaka-pogi magbubukas ng pintuan. Yan. Si Boss Ted ang magbubukas yata. Yung pinaka-pogi magbubukas sa akin sa pinto. Ayan. Ayan oh. Ayun oh. Pogi.
Nagsisend ako ng picture.
Hindi, tinimingan ko talaga. Sabi ko, nagsisend na si Boss Ted ng picture. Makikita na to, makikita na.
May bumbukas muna ako.
Yun oh.
Video ba ako?
Yaka-video ka dito. Minsan lang. Pero mga kabata niya nandiyan eh. Nandiyan dyan, mga kids. Hey, Bill! Bisita. Nadayo. Oh, yun o, mga fans oh. Joel.
Busy?
Busy? Kailan naka-ano?
Ikaw muna maglaro sa akin.
Hindi, okay lang.
First time mo eh.
Mamaya. Second set naman na ako eh. Mabilis lang to, yeah. Pang 19 po, oh. Listahan.
Puro yung dalawa pumasok kami, so halos pang 17 ka lang siguro.
Oo.
Galing ka ba?
Oo, galing trabaho. Ayan o. There you go. Nandusan mo na kung ano yung gusto mo.
Nagtitingin na ako. Para may barbecue na ako. Dalawa na ako, Dyson.
Grand prize to, may apat lang tayo eh. This one?
Ihulog ko na ba? Gusto mo na ba?
Wala pa. So, alamin mo lang kung sa may uhulog. So one.
My lovely little mouse. Check it out.
Ano na?
Dati kumuha ka na doon.
Yari, shot. Ano to? Meron ka rin? Meron ka rin? Meron ako eh.
Itabi mo na yung isa.
Pwede. Another day. Snowy time. Umalis na. Ano to? Merry Christmas, Oliver. Welcome back.
We're currently following the bus right now because we missed the bus. Because we missed our bus. Because Reese,
she wanted to just put on petroleum, and we were being late.
Oh, look.
See, did you see the door open?
Oh.
And then yeah, she was late, and then we started driving at 7:49, but our bus comes at 7:48. And by the time we got there, the bus was already driving off our stop. So we missed our bus.
But
But we will follow it because we got ready. If we did not go to school, then we got ready for nothing, and I woke up for nothing.
So yun yung mga bata. Yung school nila. So we're going. Binibuild na naman dun kabila, oh. Nagbubuhos na naman sila. Tapos ito, buhos ulit. Ayan, oh. Ganyan sila magbuhos ng semento rito. Ayan. Isang malaking hose. Ayan, oh. Nagkakape yung mga workers. Ayan, oh. Yan ito. May bagong 5 bahay agad, oh. Oh. And nahatid ko na kayo mga bata. Ganon ang mangyayari sa amin kapag hindi ako maaga sa bus, kapag na-late yung mga batang lumabas at may hatid sa bus stop nila. No choice kundi ihatid sila sa kanilang school. Yan. Okay. So kanina nag-snow. Ngayon, tagtuyot na naman, oh. Oh, yan. So yung kanina is huling hirit na ng snow yon. And for the next week or next few days, wala na, positive 10, positive 13 na yung temperature. Kaya hello. So kailangan ko lang linisin to para hindi masyadong madulas mamaya. At ngayon, inaantay lang namin yung bus ni Arya kasi parating niya siya in about 10 minutes.
Hey guys, today we are walking. You could see the beautiful view. And today I'm with my sisters and with my dad and with my grandma, and we're walking to the park. What are you gonna do?
What's your
This is my grandma.
your shoes?
Mama, say hi, Mama.
Hello. Oh, I don't know this.
I wanted to watch this ASMR.
That's what I did. Oh, you see?
Punta kami ngayon sa park.
Why? You're boring.
I know. So papunta kami ngayon sa park. This is something na dinaan namin at tinagos namin yung walkway. So, yeah. Slippery ma. Ma, madulas dyan. Lalayo si mama. Madulas ma. Madulas. As in madulas. Ayan.
Haven't you heard of the internet?
So ito buo na yung deck nila, oh. Ah.
Mama, this was funny. I like the emoji. We're almost to the park, and when we're in the park, I want to show you me and my sister's skills, even baby Arya.
And the area?
Yeah.
Okay. Siguro mga around 5 minutes din yung walk namin. Or 5-10 minutes. Ayan, oh, si Rizzy. So pupunta kami ngayon dun sa may playground kasi wala pang ibang mga playground dito. So yung pala yung nilalakad namin ngayon. And exploring this area. Masarap magbike, masarap maglakad, masarap tumakbo. Yan, so
And my grandma's in the back walk.
okay, yeah. Kaya alam mo na, medyo malamig pa. It's +5 pero mahangin, may lamig. Pero hopefully by next time, medyo mainit na rin to.
Okay guys.
Be careful with Arya. Hold Arya.
Okay,
Oh.
hey guys, I want to show you a quick flip.
Good job, Arya.
Wait, Arya, wait for me.
Good job. Oh, picture kayo dyan, please. Picture kayo, please. Oh, 1. Ay, nako. It's against the light. Doon sa kabila. Oh, you go slide.
You guys can go first.
Nice.
Okay,
Si Ate
guys,
Kasi.
can I
Si
show
Ate
them a
Kasi.
trick?
Si Ate Kasi muna.
Can I show them a trick?
Okay.
Come, guys.
What trick? Oh, what's a trick?
This is my trick.
Ooh, galing nga. Ooh, galing nga. Natulog yung ano mo. Yung shoes mo.
This is my trick.
Oh, where's your trick?
That's Ate Cathy's trick. Ate Cathy let me run.
Oh, 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 oh.
I cannot do it. I'm scared.
Oh no, be careful.
Pussy.
Good job.
Watch this.
Si Arya sa section.
Daddy.
Oh. Oh, you don't have your ano na, cap.
Look.
Oh, be careful.
I know. Look at this again. I know.
Oh, wow. Galing ni Rizzy ah.
And I could even do that monkey ball.
Really?
That's the Google Maps.
So ito yung trail, walking trail din pala yan. Tapos meron din dong daanan, walk trail papunta dun sa may amin. Sarap dito magtakbo, tsaka magbike. Kunin ko na yung bike ko kay Paul. Tapos pwede na magbike dito, papunta rin sa labas. And that is the McPhillips area na.
Guys, I'm on this. Help me, I'm on a cliff. And today I'm gonna go down the cliff. Whee! Okay,
Nice. Cut. That's cut.
That's cut.
There you go, my kids. There you
Hey,
go.
y'all, what's up? What's up?
How are you? How are you?
Alana is
school?
supposed to go on a field trip.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she was supposed to. She only didn't go. It's because that we did. Because she think that the dad thought that we were not going to school.
Oh.
Hey, I'm so tired.
Let's go now.
Can we go to the playground? Let's get this.
Let's go walking mamaya.
Huh?
I think it's a good weather to
Yeah, it's a
walk.
good weather today.
Let's look at this. Ayan o, tingnan mo. Naglalagay na sila ng wrap. Kasi gagawin na nilang parang ganyan. Lalagay. Ganun kabilis maggawa dito sa Canada o. Ayan o. Parang puzzle or parang Lego. Katulad na lang doon ng isa o. Kakatapos na lang buhusan ng semento. Kaya kinuberan na nila yung nabuhos for the basement. So ayun o, makikita mo yung dalawa doon no. Tapos na. Tapos yung isa binubuo. And as you can see, marami na rin nabubuong mga bahay-bahay. And look at that, it's snowing again. Tapos na yung winter pero nag-i-snow pa rin no. Look, it's all white again. Ito yung view dito. It's around 7 o'clock na. At ito, tingnan mo. Nagtingin-tingin na nga pala ako ng mga design ng landscaping dyan sa may show home. So, karoon ako ng idea kung paano yung gagawin. And syempre, copy lang yan. Kukopyahin na lang namin kung ano yung magiging bagay dun sa bahay. So ito pala yung show home dito. And dito sa tapat naman nito is yung mga bagong binibuild na bahay naman. Ayan o, Hilton. And syempre kitang kita mo dun o, yun yung sunset. Ayan. So as we walk yan. So nag-umpisa sila mag-build dito. And together with doon sa may mga bahay doon oh. Marami na rin silang inumpisahan lalo na papalapit na yung summer. And yan. Isa to sa mga landscape na kokopyahan ko. Yan. So gagawin na namin yan upcoming May para makuha na namin yung refund. Kasi dapat ma-landscape namin para may balik sa amin yung down payment namin dyan para sa mga landscaping. So kami nilang gagawa ni Aisha. And look at this. Pinibuild na naman to. Ito mga single detached na bahay. Ayan. So maputik pa tong area na to, but soon enough, give it a time, mga around 1 year pa, it's going to be developed and clean. So sa ngayon lang maputik, sobrang putik kasi ang daming binibuild lalo na ron. Tingnan natin. I think may binibuild dito nung nakarang araw eh. I mean, yung sa bahay namin, makikita mo yun yun nandoon sa kabila. Grabe, ang heavy ng putik. Tapos yan, may isang hilera pala dyan. ng bahay na ginagawa. Sunod-sunod.